ADB is the most important tool that comes with your Android, and most people don't know how to use it. So, in this video, we are going to cover some ADB commands that will change how you use your phone forever. So, firstly, if you haven't set up ADB tools yet, you can watch my videos on my YouTube channel, TechnoCares. So, here I have made one video for Windows, and the second video is for Mac. So, I will leave these links in video description. So once your ADB tools are installed, then you have to do few things. First is you have to become a developer. So to do that, you have to go to settings and about phone. Then you have to find something build number or version number. So right now I'm using a OnePlus. So here, if you go inside version, so it is a version number. So if you click here 7 times, it will say like you have become a developer. For me, I have already done it, so it will say like no need, you are already a developer. Okay. Once you have done this, second steps is to go to developer options. If you type developer, it will go to developer options. Okay. And once you go there, you have to scroll below and find USB debugging, and you have to turn it on. Okay. Once this is done, you are all set. Okay. Then let's move towards our PC screen and see like whether our setup is proper or not. So I have zoomed it out a bit so that you can see it properly. Okay. Now if I type ADB devices, you can see my device is connected. So this is the first command which you learned. So now let's go through some message command. First is like ADB shall get prop ro.product.model. If you enter this command, you will get the device model number. Second command is uh, getprop ro.build.version.release. So using this, you can get the latest release, like which Android version the device is using. And the last command is ADB shall dumpsys battery. So using this command, you can get all the battery info. So these were some basic commands. So now we will see how you can list all the apps and install and uninstall apps using ADB. So first of all, you have to ADB shall PM list packages. Using this command, you will be able to list all the packages that are installed here. Okay, and yeah, so these are all the packages. Now we will uninstall one app. So this is like ME5 student. So I will uninstall it. So it's ADB uninstall com. Its package name is com.me5.student. If I hit enter, see ME5 student is gone. So in this way, you can uninstall one app. If you have any APK or something, you can install also. So let me check. I think I will have an APK. So okay, so I have this app, Megapause V1. This APK I have here. So first of all, let's check whether it's available here or not. So if I type Megapause, you can see it's not available. Now I will hit enter here. So let's wait till it gets installed. Yeah. Now let me type Megapause. You can see that app got installed here. So in this way, you can install and uninstall your apps just using the ADB. Now we will see like how we can transfer files from our PC to our phone using ADB. So to do that, we have to type ADB push our file name. So right now I'm using that Megabus APK itself and to our destination. So destination is sdcard/downloads. So here this app should appear. Okay, now let's hit enter. You can see like this app is transferred. So same way using push, using pull, you can get data from your Android phone to your PC. So I put other additional commands in a video description. So in this video, I've just covered some basic commands, and there are other commands also. I will leave everything in the video description. I think using this tutorial, you will understand like how to use ADB, and you will be able to learn other commands also. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And if you want me to make a tool using which you can like run this command automatically without going through this ADB stuff, please let me know. I will build that and share with you guys. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can hit the like button. And for future videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.